Yes people, welcome to my exclusive review of the PEACEMINUSONE X Nike Air Force 1 Para.Noise 2.0. I know I've said that wrong, but for some reason in my last video I didn't realise it said PEACE-1. I thought it was PEACEMINUSONE, but it's not. This shoe's an absolute banger, but before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really helps the channel. And as per usual, check out thesoulsupply.co.uk, sign up and turn on release reminders, and that way you will never miss a drop. So starting with this shoe, it is exactly the same as a black iteration, coming with a nice white leather upper. This is then contrasted with a black swoosh. But what makes this shoe so special is probably the chunky laces. They're a bit wild. Nice little sunflower on the tongue. Unbelievable scenes, Jeff. But as you wear this shoe, the paint wears away on the upper layer and then it reveals a nice graffiti print coming all the way across the shoe. Unbelievable sneaker, and it is designed by G-Dragon. I believe he is Korean, and I believe he is also a stylist and maybe a fashion designer. Not too sure if he's involved in K-pop. Let me know if you do know that in the comments below. But this shoe is slated to release later this year, and it should be retailing at around £180 to £140 depending on where you are. And guess what, it's a premium Air Force 1, so it's going to be a little bit more expensive. If you do want to cop a pair to resell, guess what, the first ones they're reselling for about £500. The Korea exclusive with the red swoosh, even more money. You'll be making that good dollar bill, yo. If you do want to cop a pair, we will leave a link down in the description for a product page. But as I said, it is TBC on the release date, and as soon as they are about to drop, we will try and get you an exclusive unboxing. I've been Chris from The Soul Supplier. This has been my review for the PEACEMINUSONE X Nike Air Force 1 Para.Noise 2.0. Shout out to PEACE-1 for letting me say it in a French accent. See ya.